Yeah, I do that. We have the hiking, climbing the mountain, right? Yeah, keep going. Hiking, right? Hiking and climbing. Yeah, mountain.
Amazing experience that I got when I visited the Lumatai.
Including Ketapang, totally very tall, beautiful, and then Laguna Beach, Lange. Very similar from Laguna Beach, California. Totally.
Oh my God. So
Keep going.
What makes me so remember and always remember the experience that I went to the Lumatai is I forget to drink water. And I feel so thirsty.
So you swallow the salt water?
Yeah,
No?
there's no water spring during the path to the Lumatai. Yeah. And we have to prepare anything to go there, including food and water. And because of that, I always dying at the time. And fortunately, my friends helped me to revive me at the time, to giving me some food and some water. The view is so amazing. The view,
The panorama.
The panorama is so beautiful. But the path is not so mulus,
So smooth.
not so smooth, yeah. To go there. So we have to struggle so many times to reach that place, and I ever have an opinion in my mind. If I will be the success person someday, I will buy the Lumatai and make the I will buy the Lumatai inshallah.
MashaAllah, if you have a Christmas millionaire, you want to buy the Lumatai, right? Goyang boleh.
The path will be more smooth. And
Goyang boleh. Coba, goyang boleh.
make the people to visit Lumatai more easy because of that I will promote Lumatai.
MashaAllah.
And the income that we got in Lumatai, we will use it for the others destinations to build and develop for the increasing the economic of people. So
There's only Lumatai. What about the other place? Lampu Beach, Grute Mountain, Long Waterfall,
I never visited,
including Lamno. That's only in Great Aceh, right?
I never visited
Including Jalin Mountain. Look like same like Janto. Look like very tall like you were in Switzerland. Very tall sleep. I never been there, but I will always stay there. I'm going to promote that 5 countries, United States, United Kingdom, Europe, Australia, Africa. Invite a lot of people, tourists, guide Aceh because they're very tall, awesome, very familiar with their country.
and in my suggestions that you want to visit Lumatai someday.
I was. I was. I promote that 5 countries. Know about English, Esperanto, Spain, English, bahasa.
If you have a lot of money, you should build well during the path of Lumatai because some people really need water to go there.
Yeah, I got that. So I just suggest you just for one place like Lumatai explained just now. What you don't have to place like Ketapang and then Lange. This is the most beautiful place. Ketapang, the most beautiful than Lumatai.
So
Totally awesome. Right, any question? Dan? Dan, right, any question? Goyang boleh.
during the journey that I went there, it takes 2 hours to reach.
No, which one? Lumatai.
Yeah, Lumatai.
2 hours. No, 45 minutes.
2 minutes.
To cross the
Yeah, 45 minutes.
2 hours if you go and back. 2 hours.
Oh,
back.
1:30, no. 130.
It's one way to go there.
Maybe next time we're gonna go there with Mongolia, okay? Get that one more.
Just takes around 45 or 1 hour actually. Yeah. You need to exercise your body before to go there
MashaAllah.
to avoid the
How tall
crowd.
is the hill? How tall is the
Well, 75 meter,
75 meter?
almost. Very high, very high.
And unfortunately, the beautiful during the landscapes and the forest during my journey to the lancar is not so good right now. The forestation is everywhere, so that's why the water is shrinking. Yeah. I don't know who is the actor who cut down the trees all during the path.
Cutting down trees.
And burn them all. I don't know why people are doing that. I ever heard that Lomatai used to have water springs in that, but right now there is no water anymore.
It's like desert.
Like desert, very
Almost
dry.
like
So dry. Okay, thank you.
Alright, next question, yeah, question, Pang. No, right, face somebody else.